this lesson, we will learn how to construct angle 45 degrees. So to construct angle 45 degrees, we first of all need to construct 90 degrees. A bisector of 90 degrees will give us 45 degrees. Recall from our previous lesson, we said to bisect an angle means to divide it into two equal halves. So when we divide 90 degrees into two equal halves, the half will give us angle 45 degrees. So the step is to first of all construct angle 90 degrees, then we bisect the 90 degree. And recall that to construct 90 degrees, first of all need to make a reference point on the line. Use my reference. Then with a compass, place the stick point of the compass on that reference point. Because I want my 90 degrees to be that at that point. Then I'll open the pencil point to a convenient radius and then make an arc. After making an arc, I will use these two arcs now. Let me label it A and B. I'll label this point A. And I will label this B. Now with the stick point of the compass at point A, place my stick point at point A, then open the pencil point to a convenient radius. Then up here, I'm going to make an arc. Let me start somewhere here so that the arc can cut. I'll make an arc, then I'll shift my pencil point to this point B, and I'm going to cut the arc that I made earlier. I cut the arc. Where the two arcs meet, I'll place a ruler there and join it to my reference point. That will give me 90 degrees. That is angle 90 degrees. You can confirm it using a protractor. Always do confirmation whenever you are doing construction. You can see that is 90 degrees perfect. Now, but it's 45 degrees we want to construct. So a bisector of this 90 degrees give us 45 degrees. So we're going to place our compass B. Recall from our previous class where we learned how to bisect a given angle. We take this arc like this as our reference, this point and this point on the arc. So let me label this point. I'm going to label this very point, and let me label it X. So with the stick point of the compass on point B, I'll make an arc here. Then I shift the stick point to point X now. Then cut the arc. And cut the arc. When the arc meets, we're going to join them together. Then join that arc. That is 45 degrees. Let's use a protractor to confirm that. You can see it. So that is how to construct angle 45 degrees. First of all, construct angle 90, which indeed you rule a straight line, this straight line here. Then construct 90 at a given point. In this case, I use this place as my reference point. And to do that, place the steep point of the compass at that reference point, adjust the protractor to a convenient radius, and then make an arc. After making the arc, I shift my protractor and my compass rather, place the steep point at point B, extend the compass to a given radius, and make an arc here, shift this steep point to point A, and cut the arc. Where the two arcs meet, join it down, which gives you 90 degrees, but we are constructing 45 degrees, so we need to bisect the 90 degree. To bisect an angle, you shift your steep point to this point. In this case, now we're using this place, point X and point B as our reference. You place your steep point at point B, can start at point S, it doesn't matter anywhere. In this case, I'm starting at point B. Then open your pencil point to any convenient radius. You make an arc, which gives us this arc. Then shift the steep point to this point. Then cut the arc, which gives you this arc. Where the two arcs meet, join it to your reference point at this point. That will give you an 45 degree.